In smart cities, I found a wide range of entries, some focusing on more the individual and some focusing more on community. How this was integrated was different in each case. In Belfast Healthy Ageing Project, an innovative design of app which rewards users, principally aimed initially at older adults, to get out into the locality, to join social events, and they could earn rewards. And in this way, sort of gamify getting out, getting active. With Dún Laoghair's entry, we find that an openness and transparency in the future planning and future design of the amenities and the spaces people are going to live in, which is brought through to 3D models, flat graphics, and then not only just placing them online and the hope that someone will get there, but very active publicity and engagement on the streets with people around these new plans. Fingal County Council have taken this idea of producing 3D models, videos and sort of designs of the future of Balbriggan, for example, and allow you to go in through a digital twin and explore in real time the different aspects from different angles, see what the new amenities might be like, and even change weather systems and the time of day you might see them at. Donegal have brought together a really interesting dashboard that lets you check before your journey the conditions of roads, both from gritting, freezing, with readouts of data, but also with the inclusion of stills from road cameras so you can actually see the road itself.